When you are uploading a YouTube video, you may consider converting your YouTube video to text so you can create a transcript or captions to your video, or maybe reuse your video content on your blog. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to convert your YouTube video to text using the built-in transcription tool on YouTube Studio itself. Click on the like and subscribe button down below, then come on, let's create the captions together. YouTube has a built-in tool for converting your YouTube videos to text. It's free and simple to use. Actually, YouTube generates captions using speech recognition technology when you can also extract the transcript once the captions are generated. However, the accuracy can be a little bit off, but you can edit it and make your changes simply. To use the transcription tool, from the top right corner, click on your account icon and select YouTube Studio. Then from the left hand side, select Subtitles tab. Here you can see all your videos that have been uploaded on your YouTube channel, and then click on the video that you want to extract the transcript for. Here you can click on Add Language button to select language if it hasn't selected yet. Here in my video, it's already selected. If yours hasn't selected, you can add language by clicking on this button, select language, then confirm. After you select language, click on Duplicate and Edit button here on the right side. A confirm dialog will appear. You can click on Continue button. It will pop up the caption editing window. Here on the left side, you can see the automatically generated text. On the right side panel is for previewing your video. Here on the bottom is for the timeline area. Now, you can read the text carefully and check if there are any bugs. Modify the grammar, and you have to know all generated text is in lowercase, so you need to fix the capitalization manually. Here on the top, you can also click on Edit Timing, and you can edit if there is any mismatching between your video clips and generated text. To get back and edit the text, click on Edit as Text. After you check your text carefully and edit your text, you can click on Publish button here on the top right side. Then your viewers can enjoy watching with a new correct transcript. Once the transcript is published, you can see this caption mark under your video. And also, when you play the video, you can click on these three dots at the bottom of the video, select Open Transcript. You can see your generated transcript at the right side of the video. That's all in this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up to raise the video up and make other people watch it. Be sure also to hit that subscribe button down below so you can receive all our new helpful videos. Thank you for your watching. Keep learning. Be happy and safe. See you next time.